Okay, good morning mga ka-easy o ka-entrepreneur. Nagbabalik kami muli ni Ion Max. This time para i-discuss naman yung about sa mga model ng Ion specs natin at yung iba pang mga product ni MGI. At iisa-isahin ni Max yung mga benefits doon regarding kung ginamit mo isang product. Kasi baka iniisip nyo, ito lang ang meron tayo, eyewear. Ito yung pinaka-flagship product ni MGI. Pero marami siyang maganda pang mga product na talagang ginagamit almost everyday ng mga tao. At talagang masasabi ko, napapanahon po yung mga product ni MGI. Actually, nung unang nakita ko nga to, akala ko talaga more on eyewear lang sila. And then nakita ko meron pa silang mga iba na mga product. Ang good news na kung ano yung nasa eyewear natin, kasama din doon, meron din siyang content ng mga nasa apparel natin. So, ito ulit si Ion Max para ipaliwanag sa atin yung mga product natin. Go Ion Max, thank you very much. Salamat sa oras muli.
Again, good morning, Mark. And tayo po ay nagbabalik uli to discuss other products po ng ating company. Ano po, nakakatawa na again, we have this platform, Entrepreneur, to exhibit our products and the benefits of human that will help, that will use these amazing products. Yun po, i-discuss ko ngayon. Ano po, and I hope na makatulong ulit tayo sa inyong lahat na makakapanood ng ating video na ito. Again, ang ating product ay talagang amazing. Sa dami po ng testimonies nito sa Pilipinas dahil sa 2 taon na pamamayagpag dito sa Pilipinas dahil unang-una, Mark, wala tayong kalaban. Ano? And
Yes.
yun isa sa mga advantages natin. But kahit na sabihin natin may kalaban pa if ever, magkaroon man, magkaroon man ng kalaban itong ating company, still, ang pinag-uusapan dyan, ano ba talaga ang naging result? Kasi hindi naman dahil sa wala tayong kalaban, kaya tayo sikat. Hindi po. Kahit wala kang kalaban, kung wala rin namang kwenta yung product mo,
Yes.
wala rin talagang saysay yan. Pero bakit naging pumutok ang pangalan ng MGI for 2 years here in the Philippines? It's because of the benefits of humans that will use the products. Ayan po. At ngayon po, hindi lang po eyewear ang pag-uusapan natin, Mark, ano? At pag-uusapan natin dito yung ibang mga products pa natin na tinatawag natin yung mga apparels. Ano po? Kung nakapansin nyo, I'm wearing my headband now. This is actually not an ordinary headband. Ito ay actually eye mask. Itong eye mask na to, bigyan ko na kayo ng pahapyaw. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga taong having difficulties with sleeping. So, yan po yun. So if you want to travel and while sleeping, ito yung gagamitin mo para makatulog ka na maayos, di ba? So usually nakikita mo yan sa mga eroplano, Mark, kapag magbiyahe ka. So mamaya pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung tulong ng eye mask na yan? And pwede ko bang gamitin yan kahit gising ako? Yes, that's why ginagamit po siya. Mamaya pag-usapan natin. But again, start po tayo sa basic. Ano po? Pag-usapan natin yung content muna ng ating eyewear before we go to this apparels. Ano po? Para makita ninyo, makompare ninyo, ano ba yung meron dyan na ma-relate natin doon sa ating nanospec ion spec. Alright? So let's start. Again, welcome po sa ating company MGI Club. And our flagship product is called Nanospec Ion Spec, which is one and only super eyewear in the world. Bakit siya super? Bakit siya amazing? It is because of the frame. Right? Ano po ba ang frame ng ating eyewear that make this very amazing? It's because of its tourmaline stone frame. Ayan, yung tourmaline stone na yan, that's why one and only in the world because tayo lang po ang company na merong eyewear na ganito. Alright? Made of stone, which is tourmaline stone, which is known as anti-radiation stone. Alright? So that's why it's amazing. And one and only in the world. You cannot find an eyewear like same content ng atin. Alright? And why is it amazing and why is it very unique? It is because of this, aside from that frame, meron pang naka-embed dyan na 5 elements. Alright? Anong elements yan na nandyan sa frame na yan? Ito po yung 5 amazing elements. Number 1 is negative ions, which is actually, na-discuss na po natin to last doon sa ating video. Ano po? So negative ions actually known as, negative ions is known as vitamin in the air. Alright? So yung negative ions embedded to our frame. The same with the far infrared. And far infrared naman po, pagkakilala naman po ng far infrared is actually invisible ray or light from the sun that helps our circulatory system. Yan po yung mga points na kailangan natin maintindihan. And also, embedded po yung ating frame ng nano silver, which is good for prevention of virus. Ano po? Dahil siya po ay mayroong amazing killing speed, no, sa virus. yung ating nano silver. And also, pinapataas po niya ng immune system natin. Also, ang ating frame ay embedded with germanium stone, which is known as anti-cancer stone. Yan po, why is it our eyewear very unique? It is because of these contents. And last but not the least is the 72 types of minerals embedded to our tourmaline stone frame. Yan po yung 5 elements that made this eyewear very amazing and beneficial to human. All right? So this is 8-in-1 because our frame is embedded with 5 elements and the lens is coated with 3 protective layers. Ano-ano yung mga layers na yan? That is anti-UV, anti-blue ray, and anti-radiation. All right, yung lens na yan. That's why our eyewear is 8-in-1. You cannot find this eyewear from known optical shops like EO. You cannot find it there. You cannot find it in Gucci, in Ray-Ban. You cannot find this eyewear. It is exclusively distributed by MGI Club Philippines. All right, so yan po ang ating eyewear. Now, ano ang kinalaman? So, this is invention. Also, we have a patent right, utility patent right, and design patent right. All right. So, ano ang kinalaman ng mga apparels na to doon sa elements na yon? Actually, okay, remember that those elements have potentials like anti-radiation. All right. Yung far infrared, ang basic na ginagawa niya is it helps the circulatory system. All right. So, yan pong far infrared, yung negative ions that make the potency of the oxygen. Well, remember, ang basic element ng katawan natin, it needs to have a good supply of oxygen. Kung bakit nanghihina at nagkakasakit ang tao ngayon is because of the lack of supply of oxygen. Actually, hindi lang po mata, buong katawan natin, kapag hindi maganda ang supply ng oxygen yan, siguradong masisira or magkakaroon ng sakit ang iyong katawan kapag kulang ang supply ng oxygen. Alright? That's why these negative ions, far infrared, germanium stone, nano silver, and 72 types of minerals was embedded also to these apparels, like this one that you are seeing now. This is called nano ionized eye mask. Ito po yan, no? Yan ay nakalagay dapat sa mata, no? Ano ang pinopromote nito? Ano mga benefits natin if we are going to use this? Remember, this is embedded with germanium stone, which is anti-cancer stone, which is best for supplying a good supply of oxygen to our body. Also, it eliminates free radicals. That's why tinawag siyang anti-cancer stone because it helps to eliminate free radicals into our body. Also, good for detoxification process. Also, with far infrared, negative ions. Also, anti-radiation. Remember that radiation is actually considered by experts as silent killer these days. Kasi ang radiation po, actually, napakarami po niyan sa paligid natin na hindi natin nakikita. Ang masakit niyan, Mark, itong mga harmful elements na to, hindi natin nakikita ito eh. Okay? Kaya tayo po ay simply devastated or affected by these elements kasi hindi siya nakikita. Okay? So akala natin noon, okay lang na gumamit ng mga gadgets na to, pero after nung ako po ay na-educate ng MGI at nakita ko ang cost ng mga radiation na to, doon po talaga nagsimula. Halos lahat ng product, Mark, meron ako niyan. Alright, so ayan, itong katulad itong ionized eye mask. Ano ang ginagawa nito? It actually refreshes your eyes. Within 10 minutes, nare-refresh yung mata mo. So if you have a stressed eyes, kasi madalas na-i-stress ang mata natin, di ba? Dahil sa dami ng work natin, stress tayo or we feel anxiety, dahil sa dami ng mga challenges sa buhay, like lalo pag dumarating Mark yung bill. No, pag nakita mo yung bill ng Meralco, bill ng tubig, which is actually hindi tumitigil. Mark, di ba, tumitigil ba ang bills? Hindi, no? Monthly dumarating yan.
Ayoko na kay Judith.
Minsan ang income natin, Mark, tumitigil. Minsan tumitigil siya. At madalas tumigil. Kung darating man, kulang pa. Kaya ang tendency, mangungutang tayo. So ayan po yung ating ionized eye mask. It refreshes your eyes within 10 minutes of using. So it actually promotes no more tired and dry eyes. Kasi pagka natanggal natin yung tired and dry eyes na yan, diyan kasi nagsisimula ang pagkasira ng mata. If you have tired and dry eyes. Remember that eye is made of 90% water, 10% flesh. Kapag yan ay nag-dry, masisira yan. Alright? So these are the benefits, Yes. Number 1, ang ionized eye mask natin is anti-radiation. Also relieves stressed eyes. It relaxes tired eyes. Accelerate blood circulation to support eye function and vision. It cleanses eyes from bacteria, germs, virus, fungi, toxins, and also rejuvenates our eyes. Ganon kaganda ang ating ionized eye mask. Up to 99% anti-cancer and anti-radiation.
Wow.
Saan ka nakakita ng ganyang eye mask, Mark?
Mismo.
That is only distributed by MGI Club. All right, so that's the first one. Now let's go to the next apparel that we have. Okay, so next is this nano reflexology therapy socks. Okay, ano naman ang use? Bakit natin kailangan gamitin tong socks na to? Okay, I will give you some information about our feet. Ano po? No? Yung ating paa, Mark, if you notice, pag nakatayo tayo, nakadapa siya. Tama? So, ikaw ba pag tumayo, nakaganon yung paa mo, Mark? Nakatiptoe ka? Hindi, no? So, nakaganon siya for balance.
Yes.
Diba? For balance. Pag natutulog ka, Mark, nakaganon siya, nakatayo naman siya.
Yes.
Ano purpose nun, Mark?
Yun ang
Why is it made? Why is it made like pag natutulog ka, nakatayo siya, while pag pagising ka naman, nakatayo ka, nakadapa siya? So, number one, alam natin, pag nakatayo ka, for balance purposes. Tama, Mark?
Yes.
Pero pag natutulog ka, bakit hindi pwedeng nakaganon din? Dapat nakaangat na ganon. Why? Bakit ginawa siya ng Diyos na ganon? Na nakatayo? You know why, Mark? Kasi ang paa natin, pag natutulog tayo, tinutulungan niya tayo na huminga.
Okay.
Kaya kung napansin mo, Mark, ang paa natin, malalaki ang pores. Pansinin mo yung paa. Ang lalaki ng pores compared to the pores of our skin. Bakit malalaki ang pores ng paa? Dahil yan ay humihigop ng mataas na amount ng oxygen pag tulog tayo. What is the purpose, Mark? Ano purpose nun? For blood circulation.
Okay.
Remember, Mark, kapag tayo ay natutulog, tayo ay in relax mode. Ang ating function sa loob, hindi masyado nag-function dahil tayo ay naka-relax mode. So, ang purpose ng paa, kung bakit siya nakatayo, humihigop siya ng mataas na oxygen kapag natutulog tayo. Para mag-circulate ang blood, kasi pag once tumigil ang circulation, stroke ka.
Okay.
You get me?
Oh.
Yan ang purpose niyan. That's why ang paa is multiple or ito po ay composed of napakaraming nerves. Napakaraming nerves. Para yung nerves na yun, diretsyo doon sa ating mga elements or organ sa loob ng buong katawan. Kung napapansin mo yan, ano? Yan ay nagre-represent ng nerves ng buong katawan natin. Kaya napaka-sensitive ng paa. Tama? So ano ang tulong ng socks, Mark? Pag sinuot niya yan, pag suot niya yung socks na yan, since yan ay merong far infrared, negative ions, nano, silver, and organic germanium stone, lumalakas ang potency ng paghigop ng hangin. At yung hangin na hinihigop niya, kasi lalo ngayon, Mark, that we are living in a polluted place, no, pinapaganda niya ang quality ng hangin. So the more na maganda ang quality ng hangin, because it's embedded with far infrared, negative ions, nano, silver, and germanium stone, Mark, mas maganda ang daloy. That's why napakarami nating testimony, Mark, na lalo yung ating customer dyan sa Hong Kong, Mark, she is suffering with what do you call that? Yung umiinit yung binti niya. Masakit yung binti niya every time na matutulog siya for almost 4 years. No? Ang dami niya ng pinuntahan doktor, ang dami niya ng tinake na supplements, walang nagpagaling doon. Awa ng Diyos, Mark, in one night, no, sinuot niya yung medyas natin, kinabukasan wala na yung pain niya.
Galing.
Ganon kagaling. That's why sikat na sikat diyan sa Hong Kong yan. Alam mo yan. Sikat na sikat sa Hong Kong ang mga products natin.
Grabe sa Hong Kong yan.
Yan ang natutulong yan. Ang tulong ng nano reflexology therapy socks, pinapaganda niya ang air na hinihigop ng paa pag natutulog lalo tayo. That's why best use of this is night time pag matutulog tayo. Pinapaganda niya ang quality ng air na hinihigop ng paa papunta sa katawan para gumanda ang circulation ng ating buong sistema.
Yes.
Ganon kagaling. Alright? So yan ang ating nano reflexology socks. What else? Ang dami nating product. Next is nano knee guard. Ano yung knee guard, Mark? Ito yan. Okay? Knee guard. Okay? Yan naman po ay sa mga taong may problema sa tuhod. No? So mga sumasakit na yung tuhod, mga nanghihina na yung tuhod, napakalaking tulong po ng knee guard na to. Why? It is because of these elements na nandito. Negative ion, far infrared, organic germanium stone, nano silver, and also anti-radiation. Tumutulong yan sa magandang function ng tuhod natin. Remember, Mark, na kapag tumatanda tayo, merong element na nawawala dyan sa ating tuhod.
Yes.
No? That makes, tawag ito, yung fluid niyan. So kapag maganda ang supply ng oxygen dyan, maganda ang supply ng mga nature dyan sa ating tuhod, lalakas po uli yan. Actually, we have so many testimonies na gumamit niyan. Dating bedridden, Mark, no? Ito yung mga stroke patients natin, bedridden. After 30 minutes of using this knee guard, nakatayo siya ulit. Ganun kagaling. Kaya napakaswerte natin, Mark, dahil napakarami na nating testimonies this time. Before, nung nag-uumpisa kami nito, Mark, ang testimony namin as ng loob. So after 2 years, nakakakita po tayo ng maraming testimony. Thank God to that. So again, itong mga product na to, Mark, itong eye mask, itong medyas, itong knee guard, ay hindi mo kailangan labhan. Why? Because it's made of bamboo charcoal. Hindi po siya bumabaho. Kahit yung medyas, Mark, hindi siya bumabaho.
Galing.
Huwag mo lang itapak sa tae, Mark.
Yun lang talaga.
Yun lang. Hindi po siya bumabaho. Actually, meron akong medyas dyan na halos 1 taon na. Talagang hindi ko nilalaban. Chinecheck ko talaga, hindi siya bumabaho, Mark. Lalo kung ang gamit mo lang sa kanya itong matutulog ka lang, siya bumabaho. It's because of the elements inside its fabric. Ganun kagaling yan. Yes. Alright? So that's knee guard. Next. Nano slimming belt. Ito pinakamatindi, Mark. No? Itong belt na to, ang daming testimony niyan. Amazing. Why? Because itong belt na to ay umiinit. Umiinit siya.
Mismo yan.
Okay, umiinit siya. Why? Because of its content, no? Itong content na to, yung nasa loob niya, meron diyan ang element. Anong mga element na meron diyan? We have far infrared, negative ions, germanium stone, nandiyan lahat. Okay? Now, ano ang far infrared? Remember that far infrared is an invisible ray of light from the sun. Okay? So, ang kaibahan sa nano slimming belt, ito yung belt na umiinit. Bakit siya umiinit? It's because of the high content of far infrared. Okay, may kalaban tayo, Mark, sa market ng belt na umiinit, Mark. Pero yung belt nila, sinasaksak sa kuryente.
Tama.
At tanungin mo kung magkano, Mark.
Mahal daw yun eh. Hindi ko pa pero mahal.
30 to 40,000 pesos.
Aray ko, mahal.
Di ba? At hindi mo pwedeng magamit kapag kalalabas ka ng bahay kasi walang kuryente doon. Itong belt na to, kahit nasaan ka, umiinit ito. Once na dumikit ito sa balat mo, it is because of far infrared na nandoon sa belt na yan. At napakarami natin testimony dyan. Why? Ito ang mga magagawa niyan sa katawan natin if we are using nano belt. Benefit of MGI nano belt, number 1, nanotechnology self-heating slimming belt accelerates blood circulation around the belly, waist, and back. It also prevents interruptions or complaints on the back and waist, destroy the fat on abdominal wall, reduce the pain on joints and waist muscles, also the back, tighten all body muscles, and helps detoxification. Ganun kagaling. That's why ako, Mark, ako yung best testimony ko rito is I have 20 years back pain, Mark. 20 years. Alam mo, nag-drive ako, di ba? Hindi ako mapakali sa driving. Masakit. Ikot ako ng ikot. But after using 2 days of using this slimming belt or nano belt, talagang nawala yung back pain ko. It's because of the high content of far infrared. Ganun kagaling yung ating nano slimming belt na yan. How much? 7,800. Compared to 30 to 40,000 pesos na kalaban natin na sinasaksak pa sa kuryente, Mark. Tandaan mo, Mark, kapag sinaksak mo sa kuryente ang isang bagay, may radiation yan. Harmful radiation. Alright? So yan, ang ating lamang sa nano belt na yan. Alright? So next is a nano cup. Alright? Itong nano cup naman na Mark, ito yung i-recommend natin sa mga taong laging may problem sa ulo, like having ito yung mga benefits kasi nito, no, Mark. Number 1, it is anti-radiation. Number 2, it increases oxygen level to the brain because remember, meron siyang mga elements na naka-embed dyan. Anti-radiation, nano-silver, negative ion, far infrared, and organic germanium stone na nagpapaganda, nagpapataas ng amount ng oxygen sa ating katawan, especially the brain. It improves concentration and focus. It relieves headache, migraine, vertigo, insomnia, and sleeping difficulties. It prevents hair fall and hair loss, stimulates hair growth, controls dandruff and graying of hair, corrects and prevents neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's. Yan ang nagagawa ng bonnet na yan, Mark. So if you
Grabe.
know people having migraine or a certain headache, ang i-offer mo sa kanila itong bonnet na to. Ganon
Ayun.
kagaling yan. Alright? So again, hindi siya bumabaho. Okay? Ang takot ng iba kung bakit ayaw gumamit ng bonnet, bumabaho yung ulo, di ba? Pero ito, because of the good element, hindi bumabaho ang ulo mo. Ganon kagaling yan. Di ba? Amoy kulob pagka nagsombrero ka, di ba?
Oo.
Pero if you have this nano cap, mabango ang ulo mo. Why? Because of these 5 elements na nandyan. Ganon kagaling. Alright? That's nano cap. Also, we have nano ionized face mask. Ito naman yung product natin na para sa mga taong very conscious sa kanilang skin sa mukha, nano ionized face mask. At ang very special sa nano ionized face mask, Mark, is that this is the only product that we have that has the highest content of negative ions. Siya ang may pinakamataas na negative ion content sa lahat ng product natin. Umaabot sa 13,000 negative ions yan.
Wow,
Mark.
laki.
At the more exposure to negative ions, the more beneficial sa ating katawan. Alright? Yan. So ano po ba yung mga benefits? Number 1, it cools and freshes the face, better sleep. Okay? So kasi pinapatong yan, Mark, paggamit yan, pinapatong lang sa mukha yan. Alright? And also whitens the face, diminishing inflammation. So pag may mga tagi-tagyawat ka, okay, tinatanggal niya yon. Also, it promotes blood circulation, increase oxygen level, it restores elasticity of the face, reusable, cells activation, tightens the skin, better breathing, and relieves eye bags.
Wow.
Washable, reusable. Ganon kagaling ang nano ionized face mask. Alright? So yan ang benefit dyan. Alright? Next is NanoGuard. Itong NanoGuard naman, ito anti-radiation chip ito. Alright? That's why lahat ng product ko, lahat ng gadgets ko, remember that gadget emits 2 harmful elements, di ba? Especially radiation. That's why ang cellphone ko may anti-radiation chip. So if you have a radiation tester, makikita mo talagang 0. Ganun kagaling yan. Nano anti-radiation chip. Dapat lahat ng gadget mo, para ma-avoid ninyo yung radiation na yan, lagyan mo, dikitan mo ng NanoGuard anti-radiation chips. Okay?
Yes.
Because again, it's embedded with far infrared, negative ions, nano silver, and organic germanium stone. Yan po, ganyan kaganda. At pag nagsama-sama yung elements na yan, napakataas po ng anti-radiation potency niya.
Wow.
Alright? Why? Ang radiation kasi is a pollution. Radiation is a kind of pollution, unseen. And these elements naman actually promotes fresh air, fresh environment. Yung far infrared, negative ions, nano silver, organic germanium stone, it promotes freshness. So lumalabas, kalaban siya ng pollution. That's why, pag pinagsama-sama mo yan, that's anti-radiation product. Alright, ganun kagaling ang product natin, Mark. And using the highest form of technology now in science, which is a nanotechnology, ganun ka-effective ang product natin.
Galing.
Alright, also we have nano neck belt. Neck belt is actually pinaliit na slimming belt yan para maabot yung ating maliliit na parts, no? Kasi kung belt mo naman malaki ang gagamitin mo, mahirap, no? So yan, para yan sa mga leeg, sa siko, para magamit natin sa shoulder. Alright, so yan ang umiinit din yan, Mark. The same with our nano belt. Alright? Also, ano ba mga benefits nun, no? It relieves neck and shoulder pain, improve neck microcirculation, like kung may mga stiff neck ka, okay, 3 to 5 minutes tanggal ang stiff neck, Mark.
Yes,
ganun kagaling ang product na yan. Alright? Also, it reduces inflammation and swelling, relax muscles, and stop prevent spasm, blood circulation, metabolism, increase oxygen supply, and improve sleeping quality. Yan po ang nagagawa ng neck belt. Next is the stirrer. Itong nano stirrer natin, ito naman po ay ginagamit ng mga taong nagki-cleansing, especially. So what you need to do is to soak it into water 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? Ibabad lang siya sa tubig. And then that water will be energized and ionized. So ang ginagawa niya, yung molecule ng tubig, pinapaliit niya para pag ininom mo, mabilis yung absorption ng katawan mo. Para ka ma-energize. So you don't need to drink energy drink. Okay? If you want energy drink, use nano stirrer. Ibabad mo siya sa tubig, okay? 10 to 15 minutes, and then after that, inumin mo. You will be energized. And if you are diabetic, if you have problem with blood, if you have toxins in the blood, napakagandang detoxification process niyan, yung nanosteer. And that is, again, one-time na payment lang. Kasi that is a forever product. Mark,
Yeah.
ganun kagaling ang product na yan. Alright? And next is NanoRing. Ito ng NanoRing naman actually is the defense mechanism, what do you call that? Yung defense minister ng pagkalalaki natin, Mark. Especially if we age 40, kung saan de-develop na natin yung prostate problem, prostate cancer. No? So yan, magandang tulong yan because ang NanoRing is also anti-radiation and also promotes good blood circulation on that genital part. Because remember, Mark, tayo mga lalaki ay laging ang cellphone nasa bulsa na nag-i-emit ng radiation. So NanoRing na yan is anti-radiation and protects our prostate gland. So napakagandang gamitin yan. Alright? And para matulungan kang may plug ceremony pa rin. Alright? So that's NanoRing. And last but not the least, Mark, is the Nano Panty Liner for women. Of course, hindi natin marirecommend sa babae yung NanoRing kasi walang lalagyan. So, itong Nano Panty Liner ang ino-offer natin sa kanila. Actually, ang negative ion product, Mark, nakilala ng Pilipinas yan by the use of Nano Panty Liners and napkins. Diyan nakilala yan. But ano advantage ng ating panty liner sa kanila? Hindi lang negative ion ang content ng ating panty liner. Ang ating panty liner ay meron ding far infrared, organic germanium stone, and nano silver plus 100% organic. Okay? So meaning, in terms of detoxification, napakalaki ng tulong ng nano panty liners na to.
Yes.
Alright? So actually, Mark, ito ang pinakabago, isa sa pinakabagong product natin, yung panty liner na to. Almost 3 months pa lang siya na nasa market. Pero Mark, in just 3 months, meron na tayong testimony, Mark, 52 years old, menopause. After using this and our belt, nagka-mens ulit. Tandaan mo, napakalaking bagay sa babae ang menstruation. Without menstruation, okay, diyan nag-i-start ang development ng sakit ng babae. Diyan nabubuo yung cervical problem, myoma, alright? And also yung pagkulubot ng mga babae, diyan nagsisimula yan. Kapag hindi na nila nailalabas yung dumi nila monthly. Because remember, kaya nga tinawag na regla yan, it's a regulation for women na ilabas nila yan monthly. Kapag hindi nila yan nilabas, may problema. So sa tulong ng panty liner na to, natutulungan silang mag-detox. Ganong kagaling. You don't need to drink any element or supplement. What you need to do is itapal mo lang siya. So ang ating mga products, Mark, is external use only. Okay? Wala tayong intake. Alright? Kaya tayo ay safe in terms of FDA dahil ang ating product ay technology product. Alright? So that completes our product presentation, Mark. So I hope na nakatulong po tayo sa mga lahat ng mga makikinig nito at makakapanood nito ay nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what MGI offers you. Alright? Ano ba importance sa mga product na yan? Yan ba talaga yung magagamit namin? Alright? So yan po ang ating sagot dyan. Magagamit po talaga yan. Number one, especially if we really want to become healthy, and we want to prevent damage sa ating katawan sa mga element na hindi natin nakikita dahil ang mga element ito ay microscopic, especially bacteria and viruses. Kapag meron tayong product na ganito, natutulungan tayong maiwasan yung mga elements na yan. Alright, Mark, thank you very much again for inviting me here in your channel, Entrepinoy. I hope na ma-appreciate ito ng ating mga ka-Entrepinoy. And soon na kayo ay maging business partner natin. So, of course, maganda ang product, mayroong magandang business. At yan po yung diniscuss natin. Sana mapanood din po ninyo yung compensation plan natin. And we guarantee you, and by selling our product, knowing our product, napakalaki pong opportunity sa atin yan. Alright, thank you very much, Mark. And God bless and more power sa inyong channel.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Ion Max. At maraming salamat mga ka-Entrepinoy sa mga video pa natin i-upload. Marami pa tayong i-discuss ng mga parating pa mga product at mga event. So, maisingit ko lang pala, nakakatuwa lang, Ion Max, this coming December 12 na pala. Hindi na pala 16.
December 12 napaaga tayo, December 12. At dati, 3 kotse pinamimigay, ngayon ginawa ng 4 ni
Apat.
Captain Roy Rivera.
Ayun.
Yes.
Ganto kaganda ang MGI. Maganda na ang product at halos every quarter namimigay pa ng sasakyan. Kaya talagang the best. So, maraming salamat mga ka-entrepreneur sa susunod. Keep in touch and God bless everyone.